So today I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough of the yard, update what's still available and what's come in and what we're going to be offering up soon. 71 Demon, that was covered in an earlier episode, slowly but surely getting to be the street killer it's going to be. Then it'll be available. Rampage parts truck, I'm going to call it. That's not available yet. 70 Duster Swinger 318 V8 Go Wing poverty caps. Runs and drives, needs fuel system flushed out and some electrical. It does have some rust in the right rear quarter, a little bit in the floors, some in the trunk pan. '72 Scamp, nice original Survivor car. Runs and drives, but transmission's got some issues. And again, fuel system sat for a long time, probably because the transmission lost reverse, and so got to go through the necessary procedures to get it up, running, and driving. That'll be available soon as well. Little D100 in the back will be available soon. If you see it and I didn't talk about it, it's probably because it's not for sale. This is a neat car. 71 Scamp, originally Winchester gray, V8, center console, bucket seat, deluxe interior, disc brake, 8 3/4. Have the build sheet, everything for this car. Might hang on to that one. So our shop truck we're working on, hence the reason for the red parts truck. So we're going to go out here and kind of see what's hanging around. Most of these are parts vehicles. 76 Aspen RT, V8 4-speed car, motor and trans is gone. Don't have a title on this one, but we do have the abandoned vehicle paperwork from the state of Washington for it. So title can be had. 7071 Dart body shell. This is just a good platform to build a car on. So if you've got a really rusty 70, 71, or 72, or 73, and you want to build the 70, 71 and use yours as a parts car, this would be the one to do it with. This could be had as a roller. $1,500. 68 Dart GTS 340. I'm going to clean this one up, make it more presentable, then it'll be available. We are in the process of getting the title for this one, so it just got here. Going to be a little while before it's available. This is the 67 Dart GT convertible that you see in another episode. Already up, available. This is an unfinished restoration that got abandoned and unfortunately stored outdoors. Of course, our weather here is pretty mild, so it's not as tragic as it could be if it was somewhere else. The 70 Coronet in the background is been sold. Most of these are parts cars or parts. Lots of V8K members, A-body, B-body, E-body. 70 Duster 340, 4-speed, EV2, black interior, bucket seats, I mean, this was the one to have. Very rusty. Savable, absolutely, but it's going to need a lot of work. 727s. There's a 904 in there too. B body, A body, E body, 8 3/4. Disc brake front ends. More K members. Some of this stuff I have charger parts covered in earlier episodes. Got so many hoods that we're having trouble getting them organized, so we're going to build some storage racks for them. Rear clip of a Demon. Charger roof section. Also a car that was covered in an earlier episode. 68 Roadrunner 383 4-speed. That was built using a donor for the chassis. Obviously needs a lot more work. 69 Satellite. Parts car. 68 Coronet. Lots of Challenger doors. A couple of 4-door doors just to have them. Carcass of a Cuda. Hoods. Deck lids. Doors galore. I like that. Let's say that. Doors galore. Starting to sound like Mr. Rogers or something. A body. B body. Bumpers. 73 Dart. Solid rust-free shell with a title. I think that one's going to end up becoming a 72. There's a Scamp in there that was covered in an earlier episode. It is again, rust-free shell, although pretty banged up as far as the exterior sheet metal from spending a lot of years in a salvage yard. In the distance, you can see all the A-body fenders. And then, of course, lots of parts inside the bus, the containers. So if you see something you're interested in, or you need something you didn't see, send me an email to the email provided below right here. I'll be happy to let you know what I have. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful day, especially if you're working on your Mopar.